Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, April 3rd, and we're looking at the S&P chart. Market's just open, just after 9:30. It's 9:36, and market looks like it is retreating from the high that it established at just about the close yesterday. The jobs report shows that, as everyone would imagine, that the U.S. lost hundreds of thousands of jobs last month. And that job loss is continuing. Many businesses, if they reopen, won't open for many, many months. Some businesses may not be able to reopen at all. At any rate, the market seems to want to hold the ground right here. If I were a speculator, which I'm not, I would say that the market will not be able to hold its ground. Typically what's happening, or what I think is happening, is that economic forces, actually traders, come in and short the market because they see the future as being not exactly rosy. And toward the end of the day, some unseen hands come in and buy up the stocks and drive the market higher. And that's what happened here yesterday, April 2nd at 3:30 or so, where for some mysterious reason, without any news being released, the market gyrated, this is again the S&P, from about 24.93 up to a high of 25.29. So about 36 points in about 20 minutes. I think it's going to give back some of this ground, at least in the early morning hours. So let's just watch this. I'm going to put this video on hold. It's 9:39. I'm going to put it on hold for about 15-20 minutes and see where the market is. Okay, so it's 11:27 right now, and I didn't come back to my computer when I normally would have, but my trading morning usually goes from 9:30 to 11 or so. At this point, the market was, call it 2,500 on the S&P. So we would have gone from on a short sale, and of course, you'd have to be a super optimist to not do a short sale. Our trading would have gone from 25.31 to 2,500. So 30 points, 31 points at $50 a point would be $1,500. And of course, if you traded two contracts, $3,000. But that's the kind of money you can make trading. You can trade for a living and make a very comfortable living. And let's say you only traded one contract here on Friday, April 3rd, and you executed a short sale when the market opened, bought it back at 10:30, made $1,500. Let me ask you, how many times would you have to trade? If you can make $1,500 a week, how many times a week would you have to trade in order to make a living? Well, you certainly can't make $1,500 on every trade. But if you could, most people listening to my voice would only need to do this one time a week. One time a week. So if you're interested in trading, I can teach you what you need to know. Financial freedom for the rest of your life. What is it worth to have that knowledge? Anyway, this is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Thanks for listening, and let's all be safe through this corona crisis.